if you're wanting to register your mobile number to your team, your class, or your event, one of the ways of doing this is coming straight into the sportcheck homepage. And right in the middle here you have what we call the navigation box, where you can select your sport, your region, and your club. We're going to use the example of the Tigers team, which is in the Cornwall Cricket Club in Auckland. So we start off in the sport. We come down here and we look for cricket. We look in the region, which is going to be Auckland, and then we select the club. It'll only bring up the clubs that reside in that are cricket and reside in Auckland. So we're going to go down here and we can see the Cornwall Cricket Club here, and now we hit the go button to the right. Every club does have their own dedicated message page. So this is Cornwall Cricket Club's message page, and we can see there is a step 1, 2 and 3 process. Step 1 is selecting a division. Well, the Tigers does happen to be in the midgets division, which it is defaulted to. You can see there's the junior, the girls and the senior, but it's the midgets we want. Step 2 is to select a grade. Well, once again, we want to look for year 3, which is also defaulted to. There is the other years 1, 2, 3 and 4, but we want it year 3, which it is defaulted to. So we can see here now it has brought up all the teams that reside within the midgets and year 3. This is only the Cornwall Cricket Club we're talking here. So we scroll down and we just look for the Tigers team, because every team has its own message box. This is right here in the middle. We have Team Tigers, and every message box, every team has an area where you can enter your mobile number in to the side here. So here we have the ability to enter a mobile number. We can hit the go button. A little dialog box pops up which explains to you how you can stop messages coming to your phone at any time, explains to you the cost as well. You just hit the continue button, so you're now registered against the Tigers team. The other way of finding your team is to go straight to the search function we have here right in the top right hand corner of the home page. In fact, this search function is on every page. You can see here it's got find a club, team or event. We are going to look for the Tigers team. We're going to type in the word Tigers and hit the go button. So this will list every club that has a Tigers team in it, and obviously there's quite a few. So we're going to look down the list here, and we can see towards the bottom we've got the Cornwall Cricket Club Year 3 Tigers. Well, that's the team we want. We just click that, and there we have it. Comes out highlighted in yellow, and you just go through the same registration process as you did before by just keying your number into the box here and hitting the go button. Just one other point with regards to registering up against your team. You'll notice underneath here, looking at Team Tigers here, just underneath here there is or text 1137 to 3080. You can, every team has a dedicated number. You can see the Stags as 1136, you can see the Titans as 8358, but this particular team, the Tigers, has 1137. So you can just simply text that number. So you type into your phone 1137 and you send that to 3080, and that also registers you up against the Tigers. So that's another very convenient way of registering up against your team. Many of the clubs do have the sportcheck or their sportcheck message page linked to their own website. We're going to look at the Eastern Suburbs AFC, the soccer club, as an example here. So we're just going to go into the Eastern Suburbs soccer website here, and you can see to the right on their website you can see the sportcheck link. We just need to click that link, and that takes us straight in to their message page on our website. So for registration purposes, we really try to encourage each club to set up a link so that their members can go into their own web page and hit the sportcheck link, which just takes them straight to their message page on our website. We think this is a much better way of working the system. So once they've done that, so all you do now is you go through the same registration process as you did before.